Children, we'll be learning about image. You must be hearing this word quite a lot and quite often. Image is formed, image is not formed. If you remember, in the last class, I had shown you an activity in which I had taken a toy as an object and placed in front of a plane mirror. What did you see? An image. So, the question comes, what is an image? Now, what happens when an object is placed in front of a mirror? The rays from the object, they reach the mirror or strike the mirror, and after reflection, they meet at a point. And at that point, a replica or the likeness or reproduction of the actual object is created. Replica means similar. This is known as an image. So, image is a replica of an actual object. Now the definition. When the light rays meet after reflection or appear to meet at a point, there the image is formed. I repeat again, when the light rays, which light rays? The rays which have been reflected, that is reflected rays, meet after reflection or appear to meet at a point, there the image is formed. Now, before understanding the types of images, we learn about two types of mirrors. Number one, plane mirror. Number two, spherical mirror. Plane mirror, you are very well aware. It is a plane surface which is very smooth, shiny and opaque, and it produces which type of reflection? Regular reflection. So you get an image. Another type of spherical mirror is spherical mirror, as visible from the word itself, spherical. That means this word has come from sphere. Means the mirrors are not plane surface but they are curvature. So two types of these are concave mirror and convex mirror. Children, further detail about concave and convex are not in your syllabus. That you will be learning in class 8. Now we come to types of images. There are two types of images, real image and we have the virtual image. These are two types of images which we are having. Real image is the image which can be obtained on the screen and is formed when the rays after reflection actually meet or intersect at a point. I repeat again, real image is the image which can be obtained on the screen and is formed when the rays after reflection actually meet or intersect at a point. That is known to be real image. Virtual image is an image which cannot be obtained on the screen and is formed when the light rays after reflection meet when they are extended backward. Now, what do I mean by extended backward? It means the rays are not actually meeting, but we are producing them back. And wherever they meet, there the virtual image is formed. Now, some more important points about these images. Real image is an inverted image or upside down image. You can see the object here. If I name these objects A and B. So now it will be A and B. I think it is very clear to you. A and B. And I'll show you this thing. This is a pen. You can see this is, consider it as an object. Now, if after reflection the image comes like this, this is your real image, which is upside down or inverted. Then comes your virtual image. It is an erect image. You can see here the object is this and image comes out to be this. Then it is said to be virtual image. For example, I'll show you If the object is like this and after reflection again the object comes in this manner, then it is said to be virtual image. Now, what do you think? Plane mirror gives you which type of image? Yes, it gives you a virtual and erect image. Now, real image is given by concave mirror, that's a spherical mirror, while virtual image is formed by plane mirror and convex mirror, which is another type of a spherical mirror.